Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark. I'm going to show you how to play Valentine's Wordle. You have 6 guesses and you're trying to figure out a mystery word that has something to do with Valentine's Day. And as you put in the word, the letters change colors to let you know if the letter's actually in the word. Now, real quick, this is a special one that I made, so it has a different mystery word, and it's not going to ruin the surprise if you already have all 10 Wordles. These 10 are going to be different Valentine's words. And then this pack also comes with a master spreadsheet. So to get to each Wordle, just click on the bottom and you can see that this number here changes to show you what Wordle you're doing. So this one has 10 mystery words, but I made a separate one for today's video to show you. Real quick, this adjust percent if needed. That's just if you can't see the full puzzle like this, then you could just toggle this down if needed, but only do it if you can't see everything. You want to be comfortable while you're working. Do not adjust the percentage of the whole screen with the control plus minus. That doesn't work so well in Google Sheets. You need to do it right there. All right, let's get started. So I would recommend grabbing a piece of paper and just starting by brainstorming some Valentine's words, even if they're not 5-letter words, just to kind of get your brain thinking. So Valentine's, party, games, card, friends, love, heart. Just kind of get your mind in that zone because it'll help you brainstorm. So I'd recommend pausing the video and having some fun with that. Now, when you're ready, you're going to start by putting a 5-letter word, 1 letter in each box, here in row 1 or guess 1. When you put in the letter, no color pops up quite yet because you have to click away. So if I change my mind real quick, I still have a minute, to change it. But I'm going to start with the word rosy and just click away, and then that R will change color. O-S-E-Y. That's my first word. All of the letters turned gray, which means they are not in the word. And they changed gray over here on the alphabet so you can kind of see what we're left with. Let's do another one. I'm going to do the word saint, like Saint Valentine. And I know I already used the S, so that's just kind of a waste of a letter because I already know that S isn't in the word. But at least I'll get to find out about the other letters. So S, A, okay, there's no A, I, ooh, there is an I, N, T. The I turned yellow. That means that the I is in the word. It's just in a different place. I'm going to try the word court, like you court someone. Also, while you're guessing, if you use a word that's not Valentine's, that's okay. Just know that the end word is Valentine's, and we're trying to eliminate things to get there. So the C turned green, which is fantastic. If it turns green, that means that it's in the word and it's in the right spot, which means our mystery word starts with the letter C. We also know that it has a U and it has an I in it, but they need to move to different spots. Okay, I don't know if I can think of a word right now that starts with C and has the U and the I in it, but I am thinking of the word tulip, and the word tulip would let me use the U and the I and get some more information. So I'm going to give that a try. T-U, all right, L-I-P. Oh, and there's a letter P in the word as well, but it needs to go in a different spot. So now I know that my final word is C-U. This letter has to go here because that's the only other spot. So C-U-P-I. Cupid, like Cupid and his arrow. And there we go. They all turned green. So that's how I know that we have solved our Wordle. So that's how we play our Valentine's Wordle. Again, I recommend brainstorming words and always making sure you have a word in mind before you start typing. But if you have this one, you're going to have 10 different ones to work with. And I hope you have a lot of fun guessing these mystery Valentine's words. if you don't have the Valentine set yet and you want to grab it, just click on the link in the description and you'll be able to get this really fun activity for Valentine's Day.